Aloha, it's Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. So my mom and dad actually started this business about 31 years ago. And after 31 years of a business here on the island, we can definitely tell you what the biggest warning sign that most buyers completely miss. And it's simple, it's maintenance records. I'll tell you why it's so important, because here on the Big Island, we deal with a unique problem, which is with the VOG. That's volcanic smog from Kilauea, which is actually on the other side of the island, but it affects us greatly here in Kona. So the volcanic dust from the lava rock creates conditions such as sulfur dioxide acidity, and that breaks down your oil much faster than normal. And the fine black powder can even clog your cabin and engine air filter, which ultimately gets into your engine and transmission. So if a seller can't show you regular oil changes from every 3 to 5,000 miles or 6 months maximum, you should walk away, no exceptions. A car without maintenance records is taking a gamble, and you don't want to take that, especially in a unique island like ours, where everything is more expensive. That's why every car here and that we sell gets a complete multi-point inspection, which takes us up to 2 hours, and we check everything from oil and filters to brakes, steering, suspension, and even safety systems. So don't gamble with your next car purchase. Ask us for vehicle history and what we perform to make your purchase rock solid. Come see us on Kuakini Highway in beautiful downtown Kailua Kona, or you can call us at 808-334-1111. We even have a website. It's hawaiicar.com, where you can check out Carfax and maintenance records on there. And fill out our pre-approval form online, and we'll take care of the rest.